Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial upgrade for Synology RackStation owners, specifically those rocking the RS2423 Plus or RS2423 RP Plus. We're talking about memory, and not just any memory, but the ATEC 32GB kit designed to breathe new life into these powerful machines. This kit comes with two 16GB modules, utilizing DDR4 technology clocked at a speedy 3,200 MHz. That translates to PC4-25600, ensuring your RackStation can handle demanding tasks with ease. What sets this RAM apart is its ECC, or Error Correcting Code, functionality. This is a big deal for servers, as it helps to detect and correct memory errors, leading to greater system stability and data integrity. It's unbuffered ECC, which is a great fit for these Synology models. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. ATEC has designed these DIMMs to be user-friendly, so even if you're not a seasoned tech expert, you should be able to pop them in without much hassle. Of course, always refer to your Synology's manual for the correct seating and channel configuration. The modules are standard DDR4 DIMMs with 288 pins, and they operate at the standard 1.2V, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue. The real question is, what kind of performance boost can you expect? Well, upgrading your RAM is one of the most effective ways to improve your system's overall responsiveness. With 32GB at your disposal, your Synology RackStation will be able to handle more concurrent users, run more applications smoothly, and generally feel snappier. This is especially beneficial if you're using your RackStation for virtualization, running multiple Docker containers, or handling large databases. The increased memory capacity allows your system to keep more data readily accessible, reducing the need to constantly access the slower storage drives. ATEC also emphasizes the quality control that goes into their memory modules. Each module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure reliability and dependable performance. This is reassuring, especially when dealing with critical server applications where downtime is simply not an option. And to back that up, ATEC provides a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in their product. Plus, they have a tech team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. In short, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 ECC kit is a fantastic upgrade option for Synology RS2423 Plus and RS2423 RP Plus owners looking to maximize the performance and stability of their systems. The ECC functionality, ease of installation, and ATEC's commitment to quality make this a worthwhile investment. If you're finding your RackStation struggling with demanding workloads, this memory upgrade could be just what you need.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.